Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we are at my campsite. So this is the cooking video that I told y'all I do every other week. So today we're at the campsite. We're gonna cook on some Blackstone grills. We're gonna make teriyaki salmon and some fried rice on the Blackstone. So hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so the ingredients we're gonna use today for the rice is Uncle Ben's jasmine rice. I know that you're supposed to use rice that's been refrigerated for 2 days and that whole stuff, but this makes a really good fried rice. Just try it out. Eggs, mixed veggies, butter. They did not have fried rice mixture, so I got stir fry and it tastes about the same. And then soy sauce, sesame seed oil, and yum yum. And then my brother is using teriyaki sauce and olive oil on his salmon. Okay, as y'all can see, I've started off here with my eggs for the fried rice. I've lost an egg down the chute back there, and things just kind of started going haywire from here, and I was like, what is going on? My eggs are not cooking. My grill is uneven, so my husband had to put something under the grill legs because the picnic table was kind of off kilter, so it was making the grill off kilter. But then my eggs weren't cooking. I'm like, what's going on? Well, I had ran out of propane. So I had to just like pause and like change out the propane, and then things started going way better from there. So if y'all see me struggling for a little bit, that is what is going on. So as you can see, my brother's salmon is going very well, and I've just now got my eggs cooked. I told you I was really on a struggle bus, but I had to wait on the grill to heat back up after changing out the propane, so I was just trying not to lose all my eggs down the chute there, but we are on a roll now. I'm putting those veggies on the grill to get those done, and then Thomas is adding more salmon here shortly. So here I am, I'm starting to mush up these packets of rice and putting them on the grill and get them going. I used 6 packets because, you know, we had 3 teenage boys there and they were shoveling it down when it was done. So I was glad that I had used 6 packets of rice, but I added some more butter down before I put the rice down, just to make sure, you know, it was good and buttery and yummy. And of course, you know, add some extra calories to it, but And my brother, he's over there, he's still cooking some salmon, and we are just moving on. Me and my brother, we love to cook together. We love to camp together, and we love to bring our families together and cook together. It's kind of like our favorite pastime. Everybody just kind of sits back and lets us take over, and we really enjoy doing this. Okay, so you see me coming over with a bowl of liquid. Those seasoning packets that I showed you at the first of the video, you mix those with so much soy sauce, and then you add it to your rice. So that's what that is. And then you'll see me here in just a little bit adding some sesame seed oil. I just love sesame seed oil, so I always add that to my rice. And then I kind of taste of it and see if it needs a little bit more soy sauce, I'll add some more. But basically that's about it. And then you just kind of spread it out and let it like get a good crisp on it. And it is so good, y'all. It is so good. And as you can see, my brother has added some more salmon. So anyway, we had quite the feast that night. If you are still here, I just want to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart for staying and supporting me. And if you are new, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I've got some fun things coming up. I'll be doing some new decor in the next couple weeks, so that's exciting. And maybe a DIY. I really need to redo my coffee table, so I'm hoping that I will get that done soon. So make sure that you do all those things so you don't miss a thing. So here we're just standing here just chatting and cooking, and I was just watching this clip and I thought about deleting it because we're just kind of not doing much here. And then I thought, no, I'm not going to delete that. Most of you may know, some of you may not, but my middle brother passed away when he was 17 years old. So it just makes the time that I have with my brother more precious. And we have just over the years, become very, very close and just have an appreciation for a loving family. So I just wanted to let y'all know that, take time with your family. Cherish all the moments that you can, because you just never know when that they will be gone. I would have never in a million years suspected that my middle brother would pass away very suddenly and very sick. There was just no indication. It just kind of all happened. And, I just really appreciate the times that I have with my brother and his family. And also, my brother became a grandpa, and my sister-in-law, they became grandparents this weekend. So I just want to say congratulations, old ancient one. And I know you're going to be I know y'all are going to be great grandparents. We've got salmon, teriyaki, and hibachi fried rice. Doesn't it look yummy? I cannot wait to dive into this. See y'all next time. Bye.